Welcome to Anyways Tech Video. This video is about how do we find the highest resources on Microsoft. So this is for basically YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, you know that many people when they upload videos, you get no views or you get views like just like me. You my channel don't get views. Or channel for some physical videos you get viral just like that. So this is much easy for how we get higher view and higher progress. So in this case, we have a lot of options like searching and uploading social media, but this dating over does not work. There's some specific stuff which people are interested because it's YouTube community, right? So it's not like they have robots or something is watching your channel. It's just your viewers, a real person is watching your channel. So make them like your channel, it must be interesting. So in this case, um, only if their channel is interesting, only if they understand the language, they will subscribe and they would view. If they don't understand language, then what's the point of even uploading it? Some people have no actual plan, they upload whatever content they like and end up not achieving anything because that was my one of my disaster which I did in my early stage of developing YouTube channels, and I found anyway tech view back in 2020 early gained like 10,000 subscribers. This year gained a massive 30 subscribers in half the year itself, which is kind of cool, and thank you guys for subscribing. Other than that, many people have noticed that no idea how to make it popular channels. So at that time, many videos like some Windows HNDS2 and Windows-based videos become very popular. That there's a high search volume. So each time you search for volume, we get high views. So to search, you can go to on the dashboard. There's always the dashboard feature. So instead of going dashboard feature, you can go to analysis, where you see analysis features here. So you can show you how much your channel got views in last 28 days. So under that you can put researcher. So researcher is where you get the what's the highest view. So you can just save information or even view information details or even search across YouTube. So this rather than going to YouTube, like many people have shown videos where you can go to YouTube and search, but I already think it's a very bad idea because it doesn't really help you in any way. So what you do, you go to search and just find something. In this case, word box. So a word box, a lot of high volume word box. So this all this anything you type over here is supposed to be very popular. But these are very popular channel. So if you pay any of this stuff, you might end up paying high view because it's a very high search volume. Alright, so with the same Microsoft Edge, with just Microsoft Edge, it should be able to find a lot of Microsoft Edge stuff. And you notice that there's only more content to do with Microsoft Edge rather than install Microsoft Edge, which is so weird. Other than that, when you watch Google Chrome, what will happen? Chrome. So you can see Tom 23, Tom, which is kind of weird, but Tom 23 because I don't know. But you can just search in the internet as well. I have no idea what the heck is this. Other than that, there is also Tom 23 so how to delete Tom history, how to delete okay, so we can write uninstall. It says any process users, write uninstall. There is high voting, but here is medium, so it says medium, and these are very high. How to uninstall from Android is high and how to uninstall from also high. So demand for uninstall information is high as demand for uninstall episodes, I guess. I don't know. Other than that, let's forget about that story. Next comes will be the search results for gaming. So let's see World of Tanks, how the games are played. So it's not very high, the figures are very high, that means demand is very high, but all this World of Tank base is not very high, but everything else is very high. World of Tank is very high. So other than that, so we deal. So there's some high, medium, low, so something out there, and that means not available. So these are some resources, details, so you can get it. So these are some options that's showing you. Okay, to internet 44, you get all options, so you get medium options. And this one will be the games. So what kind of games are popular? We can see is this. These are the games that come very popular list. So if you play any of this game and upload the video, the chance of getting 20 is very high. So you get 20